Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to show you what we got here. This is Samsung Soundbar B750D B series 5.1 soundbar with wireless subwoofer. This soundbar will elevate your entertainment experience with 400 watts, a powerful bass experience. Elevate your home cinema setup with 3D cinematic sound, room filling directional sound, and crystal clear dialogue. The top 4 features: 400 watts powerful sound, elevate your entertainment experience; 6.5-inch subwoofer, powerful bass, perfect for blockbuster action; built-in center and side speakers, room filling directional sound, and crystal clear dialogue. Adaptive sound, AI tailors the audio to whatever you are watching. Experience room filling directional sound with pinpoint sound accuracy. Thanks to the built-in side speaker with center speaker, you won't miss a word of your favorite series or action movie. Say goodbye to rewinding and hello to enjoy the entertainment you love. This soundbar got 6 speakers, audio features, Dolby and night mode, yes, voice enhancement, yes, bass boost, surround sound expansion, game, adaptive sound, DTS Virtual X and standard, no 4K video pass, and connectivity. You have HDMI, HDMI ARC, HDMI in 1, HDMI ARC, optical, and Bluetooth. USB music playback, Bluetooth is 4.1. What we want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside. I hope it will help you to make informed choice. This is the soundbar here. The subwoofer. Information pack, remote control, battery, and wall mount. There we go. This is the subwoofer, 6.5-inch subwoofer. Nice. Let's see what it looks like. The top is wood. The back is plastic. And it got metal grill in front of it. Let's see what it looks like. You switch this on and off from this button. Minus is for you to decrease the volume. The plus is for you to increase the volume. This button is input. You can see the ports at the back. So you have power cable goes on the bottom one, USB on the top. Now this end, HDMI in, HDMI TV ARC, and optical cable. So this is the remote control, and to set this up, push the remote control down, take the battery, AAA battery, now on the right side, the negative goes on the top, the positive on the bottom. On the left side, the negative goes on the bottom, the positive on the top. Then slide back up the cover and it's in. This is the information pack. Wall mount, power cable, This is part of the power cable and power cable here. So if you take this power cable, go at the back of the subwoofer, hook it, push it in to the subwoofer, stretch one of the cable, push it to the subwoofer and connect it to the power socket. This subwoofer, the button here there's a button here underneath for you to reset it. And you can see a blue light is flashing. Then you take the other cable and connect this cable with this second one, push it in. Then go at the back of the soundbar, hook it up to DC24. DC24, push it in, and the cable is in. Plug it onto the power socket. With this remote control, this button is for you to switch the soundbar on and off. This button is input. This button is Bluetooth pair. This button is for you to increase the volume. If you push it up, increase the volume up. If you push it down, decrease the volume. This button is woofer. If you push it up, increase the volume. Push it down to decrease the volume. You also have the sound mode. Center is pause and play. You also have option for you to skip, go forward or skip to the left. You also have, if you select channel, you use up and down to select the particular channel. It's up and down or sideways. Then this is channel level. When press the channel level, then the side level. First of all, let's switch the soundbar on. And once you switch it on, it will show you the lights here. Showing us the light. TV arc is what it's showing us. Select Bluetooth, it will show you BT ready pairing. So guys, I want to show you how to connect this soundbar with your laptop. Go to your laptop settings, Bluetooth and devices. Switch Bluetooth and devices on. Then select plus to add a device. Then select Bluetooth. It's now looking for available Bluetooth device. B series soundbar is found. Audio. Then you select on it and it's connected. Then you select done. B series soundbar connected for audio. We're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator. Go to saved music. This button is for you to increase the volume or decrease the volume. This button is subwoofer. Subwoofer. Increase it to +6. +6 subwoofer. You can also decrease it, the subwoofer, to -12. This is subwoofer. Press woofer to increase the volume to +6. So the woofer is +6. This is channel level. If you select channel level, use up and down to select particular level you want. If you select tone control, treble or bass, use up and down to select the actual level you want. This button, you switch the soundbar on and off from this button. This button is input. Press to select the source connected to the soundbar. So you use this to select the source. This button is Bluetooth. Switch the soundbar to Bluetooth pairing mode. Then you have up and down and sideways. The center one is pause and play. This is for you to mute. If you select it again, you cancel the mute. Then this button plus is for you to increase the volume. Push it upwards. Then push it down to decrease the volume. Select woofer, push it up, you increase the volume to +6. If you push it down, then you push the woofer down, you decrease the volume. Push it up, you increase it to +6. -12 is the minimum. Sound mode is for you to select AI, surround, you select game, standard, game, stand adaptive, DTS Virtual S, bass boost. Sound mode to select all the preset mode that you want. When you select channel level, use up and down to select the channel level you want. This button is sound control. When press the sound control, it will display night mode, voice enhancement, audio sync. Then use up and down to select the particular one. Tone control. When press the setting, treble and bass are displayed in sequence. The desired setting can be adjusted using up and down.
Yeah, 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 on me, yeah, no escaping from my mind, but low key, you know that you one of a kind, wanna show me, baby, the things you can do with that body, yo, show up everywhere that I be, yo, all you wanna do is party, yo, I know, you are the type that they want me about, when I'm with you, all the wrong feels so right, like Greenland, church girl moving like a twin pen, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, she said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, she said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, Llamatende, oh no, llamatende, oh. Hey, fashionably lit on purpose, all eyes on you. Wind up on the place, not all of the guys want you. Knows how to move it and taking what I'm gonna do. We're making a movie, the things you and I go through. Every time we link up, it's a roller coaster when we make love. Sometimes I don't really know where I have you. Feels like something you can flip us. She's the real thing, but she
Bass bust. Thank you very much. This soundbar deserves your attention. It's value for money. I'm happy with this soundbar. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel.